You ready to go get some chicken nuggets? You did good today. You want chicken nuggets? Chicken nuggets? No, but you want chicken nuggets? Huh? You gonna say yeah? You gonna talk to mama? Well, I guess not. Yes, can I get an order of your chicken nuggets and an order of your spicy nuggets?
What size?
What's the count they come in?
4, 6, 10.
10 pieces.
For both?
For both. And a strawberry lemonade, medium.
What would you like for the nut sauce?
The sweet and sour.
Would this complete your order for today?
Yes.
4, 6, 10.
Wendy's chicken nuggets today. Welcome to Wendy's. You ready for your chicken nuggets, buddy? You ready for your chicken nuggets? You ready? Yeah, you ready for your... Yeah. Come on. Boy, he'll just pour it out there. Let you eat your nuggets. Just swallowing them. Yeah, you done, they're all gone.